You know that moment when you need to make a presentation, and suddenly you're juggling slides, design, layout, fonts, everything? Yeah. What if you could just describe it, and it builds the entire thing for you? Hey guys, welcome back! Here we break down powerful AI tools into simple steps that help you automate work, think creatively, and get more done faster without confusion daily. So today I've been testing out this tool called Gamma, and honestly, this might be one of the easiest ways I've ever created presentations, documents, even web pages. No design skills, no slide-by-slide editing, just type what you want, and it builds everything. Let me show you. So Gamma is basically an AI-powered content creator, but not just text. It can generate full presentations, documents, social content, even simple websites. And everything is already designed. Like, you don't start with a blank slide. You start with a finished structure. From the homepage, it literally says, effortless AI design for presentations, documents, and more. And yeah, that's actually pretty accurate. If you've ever spent hours fixing slide layouts, struggled to make things look clean, or just stared at a blank page not knowing where to start, this solves all of that. Because instead of designing, you're just thinking. You type an idea, and Gamma turns it into structured content instantly. Alright, let's jump into the actual interface. So when you click Create, you land on this Generate page. You can choose what you want to make: presentation, web page, document, social content. Then you've got a few options: number of cards, like slides, style, classic, default, etc. Language. And then this big input box. This is where everything happens. You just type something like marketing strategy for a new product launch, and it generates a full presentation. Now what I like here is, it even gives you example prompts like workshops or training programs, course syllabus, science projects. So if you're stuck, you're not starting from zero. Once it generates, you get this clean modern layout, not boring slides. It actually feels like a mix between slides plus Notion plus a website. And editing is super simple. There's literally a section that says edit with AI in just a click. So you can rewrite text, adjust tone, generate images, collaborate with your team, all without leaving the page. You can export, present, or just send a link, no complicated setup. Honestly, the biggest thing I noticed is how fast everything is. Like, you go from idea to finished presentation in minutes, and it doesn't feel like a rough draft. It actually looks polished right away. Of course, you might still tweak a few things, but compared to starting from scratch, this is way easier. Alright, let's talk about pricing real quick. So Gamma actually has a free plan, which is nice. You get up to 10 cards per project, basic features, and some starting credits. Then there's Plus at $9 per month, Pro at $18 per month. This one's marked as most popular. And Ultra at $90 per month for heavier usage and advanced models. The higher plans give you more credits, more cards per project, better AI models, and extra customization features. So depending on how much you use it, you can scale up. So yeah, if you're tired of building slides manually and just want something that works, Gamma is definitely worth trying. I'll leave the link below if you want to check it out. And let me know, would you actually use something like this for your presentations? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.